All right. Hi, my name is Madison Rogers, and this is my personal technology in the classroom PowerPoint. So I chose the app ChoiceWorks. I use it at school with some of the students I work with. It's an app created for students who need a visual schedule to work through their daily tasks or who work best with a daily visual schedule. The app can also be used for making choices and waiting. There's a timer option, as well as feelings and choices for feelings. It's an app, can be found on the App Store for $9.99, so $10, and for iPad and iPhone use. So different ways to use ChoiceWorks. The main way that I use it at school is with a visual schedule. It's a great app for students who need to see what they have to do or what they need to do next while completing tasks during their day. And you can create multiple different schedules and different routines for different areas of the student's day or their at-home routines. You can use it for that. And you can just click on whichever one you need to use. And when creating the schedule, you can allot certain amounts of time to each activity so the student can see how much longer they have to do a certain activity if time is something they're concerned about, or how much longer they have to do a certain activity. I like this app because you can upload actual pictures of the student, of their teachers, their classrooms, their workspace, the actual work they need to be doing, and different break activities or different specials like gym, music, and art. Another way to use ChoiceWorks is with the timer or practicing waiting. I don't use this one too much. But this waiting tab is especially helpful for students who have a difficult time waiting and a difficult time with the task that they are supposed to be doing. You can set the timer for a student and they can see how much time they have left to wait. You can give them choices of what they could do while they're waiting, and it also shows what they are waiting for in the end. Another way to use ChoiceWorks is you can create a feelings board with different feelings: frustrated, angry, confused, whatever best fits your student. And when the student is feeling that way and maybe they're unable to verbally express how they're feeling, they can choose a feeling board to show you and just help them communicate better on how they are feeling. And when they choose a feeling board, you can put in different options of what they can do when they're feeling angry, frustrated, confused. So confused, you could give them two options: reread directions or ask for help, things like that. And then you can also give them options of what to do when they are finished with the routine. So this is a video that I have of going through the schedule that I use for one of my students. Alright, so this is the visual schedule app that I use with some of my students at school. It has a bunch of different schedules that you can make. You can do feelings and other things. So let me click on Wednesday since it's Wednesday. This is all the things he had to do this morning. So class, and it shows a timer. Moves it to be all done. Then he gets a computer break. Moves it to all done. Then he had speech. All done. And special education teacher. All done. A break, and it's really nice. It gives you timers on how long he has to be there. And then here's his afternoon schedule. This is what he has done, and this is what he is doing right now. So as you can see, there is we have a lot of different schedules made for that student, and he really is receptive to this way of learning and teaching, and it is much easier, we have found, than to use the actual pictures, printing out pictures, laminating them, and then Velcroing them. So I really enjoy this app and would recommend it for anyone who has students who struggle with visual schedules or tasks. Thanks.